Ask an AI assistant to write you an email, and it will. Ask it to actually send that email, to check your calendar first, or pull the numbers from yesterday's sales report. And for years, it just couldn't. It could talk about your files. It couldn't open them. So how do you take an AI that's brilliant with words and give it a pair of hands? That's the whole story behind something called MCP, the Model Context Protocol. Picture an AI helping you write code. It's sharp, but it's trapped in a little box, a chat window. It can't see the project sitting on your laptop. It can't read your company's documents. Every useful thing lives on the other side of a wall. And to reach across that wall, someone had to build a special little bridge, by hand, for each and every tool. That box was the whole problem. And this is where it got ugly. Say you've got 3 AI apps and 3 things you want them to reach: your files, your email, your calendar. Wire every app to every tool by hand, and you're building 9 separate bridges. Add a 4th tool? Even more bridges. It becomes a tangle of custom wiring that nobody wants to maintain, and that breaks the moment anything changes. This mess even has a name. Engineers call it the M times N problem. So picture the back of a computer, years ago. A different plug for your mouse, your printer, your monitor, your phone. A drawer full of cables. Then USB-C arrived. One shape, one port, and everything just speaks it. That is exactly what MCP is. One shared way for any AI to plug into any tool. The people who built it describe it as a USB-C port for AI. Build the connector once, and it works everywhere. So how does this port actually work? 3 simple parts. There's the host, the app you're using, like a chat assistant or a coding tool. Inside, it sits a client, whose only job is to hold one end of the cable. And on the far end is a server, a small program that sits in front of a tool, like your GitHub account or your Google Drive, and knows how to speak MCP. Host, client, server. Every server that speaks it works with every host that speaks it. Each server hands the AI a menu of what it can do, and that menu comes in 3 flavors. Tools, actions it can take, like create a file or send a message. Resources, information it can read, like a document or a row from a database. And prompts, ready-made instructions the tool suggests for common jobs. The AI reads the menu, picks what it needs, and the server handles the rest. No guessing. No hard coding a thing. Let's make this real. Connect an MCP server for GitHub, and now your assistant can open your code, read an issue, and draft a fix, right inside your actual project. Connect one for Google Drive, and it pulls the exact figures from a spreadsheet before it answers, instead of guessing. Picture a customer support assistant that brings up your real order and refund history the second you ask. That's a server quietly doing the fetching. Same AI, same single port. Suddenly, it has hands. And this caught on fast. MCP started at Anthropic in late 2024, and by 2025 it was handed to an open foundation backed by Anthropic, Block, and OpenAI, direct rivals, agreeing on one standard. The building blocks for it now get downloaded close to 500 million times every month, and 2 of those toolkits have each passed 1 billion downloads all time. When your competitors adopt your plug, you've stopped being a product. You've become the wiring. But the newest version, released on July 28, 2026, tore up one of MCP's own core ideas. The old design had a memory. A little handshake at the start, and a running session it had to keep alive the entire time you were connected. Useful, sure, but fragile. Lose the connection for a second, and the whole thing forgot where it was. So they made it forgetful, on purpose. Think of a coat check that has to remember your face versus one that just hands you a numbered ticket. If the ticket holds everything needed to get your coat back, the clerk doesn't have to remember anyone at all. The new MCP works like that ticket. Every single request now carries its own information, complete on its own. No long-lived session sitting there, waiting to be babysat. So why rip out something that worked? Because Forgetful is Sturdier. A server that remembers nothing between requests can run on ordinary, everyday web plumbing. The same cheap, reliable infrastructure that already serves normal websites to billions of people. It's easier to grow and much harder to break. The team behind it called this the biggest change to MCP since it first learned to log in securely. So, back to where we started. How do you give a talking AI a pair of hands? You stop building 1,000 fragile bridges, and you agree on one port. That's MCP, a shared language that lets any assistant safely reach the tools and files you already use. And this newest version makes that connection simpler and tougher at the very same time. Next time your AI quietly reads a document or sends a message for you, you'll know exactly what just happened behind the glass. The real question isn't whether your tools will speak this language. It's what you'll build once they all do.